The valve, solenoid, and lines are all located on the left side of the engine, red arrow. You will need to remove the rear wing at a minimum. If this is the first time you're doing this, you may also want to remove the airbox for more room. For additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. The system mounts to a metal bracket on the 1 through 3 intake runner, blue arrow, and connects behind the throttle body to the resonance tube, red arrow. Begin by squeezing in on the locking lugs on the line behind the left side of the throttle body, red arrow. Then slide the line off the resonance tube. We removed the throttle body for photographic purposes only. Release the coupling on the supply line from the carbon canister by squeezing in on the locking lugs and pulling it off the tank vent line, red arrow. Slide the lines off of the mount, red arrow, on the 1 through 3 intake manifold. Reach in and separate the electrical connection on the rear of the solenoid, red arrow. There are 2 clips on the metal mount that help hold the lines. Separate the lines from the clips, blue arrows. You can now remove the assembly. The line, solenoid, and valve are all one piece. This image shows the metal mount that the assembly sits in and on, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.